Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your JCE exam results. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now you will need just to hit your web browser and go to the URL section. So here we need just to type JCE results, and basically here in the search result we will find the Botswana Examination Council, and make sure you are on your education council to find out about your results. So all we need to do is to click on the first link, the My Results portal, and make sure you are on the council.w bw, and from here you will need just to click on My Results, and then it will redirect you where you can log in with your account or your student account, and basically you will need just to show results. So basically here we want the GCE, the year of examination. You will need just to type your center number, and here you will need just to type your candidate number. You will have a private one or a unique number, and from here you will need just to type your surname. And basically, if your information are good, you will find, as you can see, you will need to have already the correct center number, etc. And let's just add another number, and we will show results. And it is not correct. And basically, just have the correct informations and click on show result, and then it will show you your GCE results here. So basically, this is how you can find out about your JCE results examination online. Thank you for watching and see you in next tutorials.